Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're looking at CapCut. Yes, CapCut is a simple editing tool that most people use or can use to do most of their editing when it comes to video or content creation. But then when thrown in front of you or when starting to use it the first time, it might be a bit overwhelming. But that's why I'm here today. I'm here to kind of ease it out for you if you're a beginner. So pages don't have audios. There's no audio tab for images, so you see there's no audio tab, but for videos we do have audio tab, and then you can alter the speed like we seen before, animation adjustment, all that. We can do it for the videos. Okay, now let's come back here. So text, we've seen text and some of the things we can do to the text. Stickers, we can apply stickers, do the same thing to the stickers. If we want the stickers to, no, let me change this sticker. Let's change it to this, for example. We can increase how long the sticker is going to last. So let's say this. Also, we can work on animations, how quick we want it to come in. Do we want it to come in this way? Do we want it to go out that way? All that, we can do it over there. And then tracking, again, we'll talk about tracking in another video. Then effects, let's say I want to apply an effect, and this is where I need you to be very attentive. Now I want to apply an effect, let's say this glitch effect. I can put this effect on the timeline and then stretch it across whichever place in the video I want it to be. So if I select here, you see that the effect is being applied to the video over there.
All right.
But how about if I want to apply that effect to the video only and not to all these things? Then I don't have to put it on top. I can delete that and then put it onto the video. Immediately that gets added to the video itself. Okay, so we have it in the video and the text does not get affected. That does not get affected. No images will get affected. But how about if you made a mistake and you want to take it off? So I can select this, right click, and then I'm going to get an option to edit effect. Then it's going to show up and I can click on it and then now delete it and then put another one. So depending on how you want your effect to be applied, you can drop it on the video or on the subject, or you can drop it on top and then put it over the layers. Now note that there's overlaying. Overlaying is how you put the videos over how you put the content on the timeline over each other. I can take this glitch and drop it even right in front here. So I have it right over here. That means that it's not going to affect the things that are above it. This effect is now affecting only this. So I can choose to put it on the timeline or put it inside the video. So the effect applies directly to the video. Now, you choose which one works for you. Now, talking about that, same can be done with filters. If you take a filter, if you go into filters, you can take a filter and apply it on the timeline, stretch it across, and then it affects the entire thing, including the text and everything, because in this case it's over it. If I pick it and I bring it lower with the blue line there showing, it means I'm putting it over it. Now the filter is now going to be applied to everything underneath it. Or I could take this filter away and then drop the filter directly on the video. So you can see now the filter has been applied. If you come here, the filter is not here, but the filter is here. Alright, so I don't need that filter, so I'm just going to take it out of there. Alright, so then we proceed. Those are filters also. Now let's talk about the adjustment layer. Like I mentioned before, you can select this and adjust it here. But if I don't want to do that adjustment, I can always pick this and then put it here and then run all the adjustment on this. For example, inside here, so for example, inside here, I can alter the color and then move, let's say, the white balance all the way. It only affects those that are underneath it until it reaches here, and then it doesn't affect it. So we see the change. So I can keep it on, I can make this on the slide. I can keep this adjustment on the slide and then alter where it covers, or I can select all of this and then use this adjustment to do the editing. And that's it for import, audio, text, stickers, effects, and all those. So let's say, for example, let's say I want to caption my video. I can select caption here, and then in auto caption I can select that. And what that is going to do is it's going to auto caption the entire video and think of what it is it thinks and it show me what it is it believes that I'm trying to say at some point. Then we can go in and edit. So let's see, for example, here we can, now I'm going to take all these things away. I'm going to take them away. Then we have a clean video. So down here we can see what is written. So it says, all right, so to set up this seal roll, okay, so let's play it and you see. All right, so to set up this, so we see to set up this, is that what you want people to read? If yes, you can click on this and leave it the same, or you can go into basic, you can go into caption over here, and then you see every single thing and you can edit everything. So it's roll, not roll. So I can change this and then continue playing. All right, so to set up this seal roll, to do the seal roll set. All right, so we see another roll there and we can edit it. Now whatever we edit, you see it change over here. So that's what people are going to see, not the mistakes that are here. If we go into text, we can change the text type, or we can go into template. We can change the font type, or we can go into template and select templates that exist already. So like for example, all right, so we can change the template to that. If we want to put it in bubbles, again, we can do it. If we have effects like this we want to apply, we can do that. Now note that we could also make each one, we can have an animation with each one, keeping each one animated, coming in with an animation. So for example, I'm going to select that this should happen. So you see it happening. It's instead of it bouncing on the screen, I can select that and then it happens that way. This and it happens that way. That and it happens that way. So you can apply different animations to it. You can loop some of them. So like this, you're just gonna keep doing whatever action that you give it like that. You feel me? And then for captions, you can put some captions like this as the effects you want. You get it? You can do all that inside here. Then tracking, again, we'll talk about it later. Do you want to convert all of these into speech? Again, you can do it, but then that's redundancy. So that's it for captions and what basically you can do with a PC variant. Now let's come to transitions. Like I mentioned earlier, you can select several transitions. My favorites are glitches. So I'm going to just pick any of the glitches here and then apply it to the center of two clips. So we can see the center. Now, if you see the center of this clip, I can drop this here. And no, you know what? Let me pick this and put it here instead. And now when we are just before it, we see the glitch happen. All right, so that glitch happened in the center. Can you increase or decrease it? Yes, I'm going to zoom in and increase how far the glitch is going to happen. So if now I select here, the glitch takes longer. So you can alter the distance or the time it takes for the glitch to happen. Let's say I want to add a whole glitch sound to this glitch effect. Then I can come into audio and then select glitch, type in glitch, and then I'm going to pick a glitch sound and I can put it there. Okay, let's use sound effect here and select glitch. All right, so we select glitch and then we'll pick any glitch sound. So let's listen to this. Okay, so we can put this one under here. We can reduce this glitch space and put this right underneath the glitch. Now let's watch this. Perform the exercise. All right, so we see the glitch happen at the same time when the sound is happening. So we just overlay them on each other and we can get good job done. All right, so I believe we've gone through media, we've gone through audio, we've gone through text, stickers, we've looked at few effects, transitions, caption, that, and adjustment. We've gone through everything, and I hope you've learned a thing or two from this one. And next time when you're on CapCut, you don't feel so overwhelmed. Now here, if we deem this a complete work and we want to export it, we could always come to export here, and then we're going to get this. We're going to select where the name we want and then where we want to put it at. Then the resolution of the video we're taking out, we can take it at 4K, or 480p. Between these ranges, we can select, we can alter the bit rate, the codec, but my advice is you keep them this way. No need to change anything about it except for the resolution. Then you can proceed to export, and the video is going to get exported. So thank you guys for watching this video. If there is something you believe I did not mention that you wanted me to make mention of, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll gladly do that. But don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and check out my other channel, Do It Right Fitness. This is Do It Right Tech. You can check out my other channel, Do It Right Fitness. Subscribe there, and then we'll see you on the flip side. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.